Okay, this is part 2 on the rear seat delete dimensions and everything. The first one was really difficult to see on the numbers and everything, so I am making another one with a tape measure. I'm going to be on the very first part. I'm going to be doing going horizontal from left to right, doing width on this and everything. And I'll start at the bottom and work my way to the top. It should explain, because we are doing a perspective view on this, then I will come in so you can actually see the numbers on the tape measure. Okay, so that's the perspective view. So right here it's about 46 1/4 at the very top. Okay, I'm going to start moving down slowly. So the next part goes in. I'm about 47 or 45 3/4. I'm going to go up to the widest spot is right at 47 inches. Then I'm going to go into the little in-groove parts. So these are like 44 5/8 coming out to the wider part of it. 46 1/8, and the very bottom will be right about 44 3/4. So, and now I'm going to be going from doing the height of it now. So we'll start right here, and the overall length of this is, or the height of it is 23 1/2 inches. Coming up to that first section right here. So this should give you a better idea on the measurements on inches, on how it moves down the side of your car and everything while it's sitting in your car. Okay, and I will be doing the next section of the seat now, where the rear seat deletes. So, and I'll edit that into the video also. You ready? Okay, so now I'm going to do the part where you would actually sit like on your seat and everything. So now I will give you the measurements on that piece, and we will give you a perspective view on it. Okay, and this is about 49 1/8 inches. I'm going to come about halfway down on it, and it's still holding about 49 1/8, 49 1/4. And the very back piece of it, or the bottom, is rated 46 1/4. Okay. Then the overall length of this is right at 22 inches. and I'm hoping that will help you out and everything on your measurements for your rear seat deletes. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.